Hey there, Mike Vigoury with the Skoda Mike's Garage, and today I'm going to go through real quick the process of finding wiper blades for your vehicle, replacing them. Any more, if it's a more modern vehicle, i.e., built within like the last 20 years, it's a pretty simple process. You can go to your local parts house, you can give them the make, model, and year of the vehicle. They'll tell you exactly which wipers to get. They'll even get them. They'll even maybe put them on for you. So there's your tip of the day. 30 seconds in, you might be able to save yourself 15 minutes and just have someone at AutoZone, O'Reilly's, or any of the other big names take care of it for you. But if you don't, you want to do it yourself, you're going to find that they typically are just, you need to know the length. So for example, for this 2007 Lincoln MKX, uh, it requires a 20-inch wiper and a 26-inch wiper. Obviously, the 20 inch is going to go on the passenger side. The 26 inches is going to go on the driver's side. And again, most modern vehicles all operate the same when it comes to swapping out wipers. You're going to pay somewhere between $15 and $60, depending on what kind of wiper and what kind of quality you want, longevity, capabilities, etc., etc. So I will get us started. I went ahead and bought kind of a lower middle of the road option here. It is it's Bosch, a Spectrum Direct Fit. Simple as that. You just pull them right out of the packaging, and once you have your wiper out, in order to switch them out, all of these wipers blades have kind of a hook on the end. So you're gonna rotate this around, and you're basically gonna just take and slide this right out the back of that. And I should bring you around here where you can see what I'm talking about here. There's also usually a small catch on here that'll help you. Yeah, there you go. So on this particular wiper blade that was on there, there's a little catch right here that you had to push down. But you're just going to slide it like this away from the blade. And let me bring you over here real quick. Take a look at what you're dealing with. It's going to look just like that. So you're just going to slide that wiper out this side. Simple as that. And once you have your wiper off, take your new wiper. If I can find the new one. And you'll notice, and don't get worried if they don't look exactly the same. They're not going to. But you note that the new wiper accommodates that same sort of a hook process. So you find the end with the rounded side. You go in behind your wiper, stick your wiper blade, your wiper arm rather, straight through, clip it in, boom. You now have new wipers on. Simple as that. It took me 3 minutes and about 10 seconds to do it. You can do the same. Again, just go to your parts house, determine whether you want a medium, a low, medium, or great quality, and then get the right length wiper for your vehicle. And it's as simple as that. We'll do it again one more time here just so that you can see how easy it is. Again, I flip it around, basically gonna pull this tab right here, and back she comes again. Off that one is, come and take my blades off of this end, take my new blade out, take my wiper blade arm, and I'll bring you over here so you can really see it up close one more time for anybody who needs to see it a little better. You can see right there what we're dealing with. Give you a good visual on that. Grab your new blade, stick the wiper arm through, rotate it over, push it up, and you folks now have new wipers on your Lincoln MKX or any other vehicle that you have. It's as easy as that. I hope you found that helpful. If you did, and you're looking for maybe other easy, handy tools and tips that'll save you some money down the road, give me a subscribe. That would be really great. All right. Hope you have a great day. Take care. Thanks.